This book was actually sent to me for review and it was perfect timing. So I am actually currently working on planning my estate and just making sure that I have everything in writing and making sure that I'm understanding all the tax and the legal implications of estate planning. So this book is estate planning for beginners, and it does walk you through many different categories that are important. So it'll walk you through how to identify your assets, how to classify them differently. So maybe you have digital assets, maybe you have physical assets. Also walks you through how to write a will, and then understanding the difference between when a trust is needed to avoid probate. You have a lot of information in here. It's actually a pretty easy read. It's only 120 pages, and you do also have a really good table of contents in here that you can leverage if there's a specific area that you're interested in. But again, I thought end to end it was a very easy read. So definitely will give you that peace of mind and just learning more about estate planning and then what the next steps are for you. And then again, lots of good information regarding tax ramifications, if you have a blended family, what that liability looks like. So really great book, and definitely recommended for anyone who is interested in estate planning.